So hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 5 major mistakes small YouTubers are making. And if you find yourself wearing any of these shoes in any of these points I'm mentioning now, you need to take a break, have a rethink, think deeper, re-strategize and come up with something better so that you can push your channel forward. Now let's get into it. Number 1, starting with lifestyle vlogs. I'm not saying vlogs are not good. They're interesting. I mean, people watch vlogs anyways. But if you're still starting out on YouTube and nobody knows you yet, why do you think that people want to watch you? Like, give us one reason why we would want to watch you. And again, it's a different thing if you're saying something like, okay, a day in my life. Who are you? Why would I want to watch a day in your life? Have you met me before? Do I know you from somewhere? Okay, fine. Even if you want to share with people a day in your life, that's your vlog should give value. Okay. And let's assume you are a stay-at-home mom or you are a full-time YouTuber or just something. You can say something like a day in the life of a Nigerian YouTuber, a day in the life of a abroad-based YouTuber, a day in the life of a full-time mom with 3 kids or whatever. That will make me want to, people, not even just, that will make me want to, okay, let's see what this is about. What is her life like challenges that have to come with motherhood and all of it. People want to watch. I mean, if I'm also a YouTuber, I want to know, okay, what is this person's life like? What is her life like as a YouTuber? What is his life like as a YouTuber? What are the challenges he or she is going through? How can you spend tell us a day in my life? A day in your life as who? Please stop starting out as vlogs. We don't know you yet. It's a different thing if you're already somebody that we already know on YouTube and you want to create a new channel for vlogs. I mean, it's even easier because even your followers or subscribers from your other channel will automatically want to even come to our channel to know what your lifestyle is like. Now, the second mistake is not having a niche. Today you're posting cooking vlogs or cooking videos. The next day you're showing us how to braid hair, and the next video we are seeing try on haul, fashion. Okay, maybe the next video we are now coming to come and see how to grow on YouTube. Madam, Oga, what are we coming to watch on your channel? Like, what exactly should we have in mind when we are coming to your channel? You cannot be here and be there, and you're confusing the algorithm. You're even confusing even your audience because they don't know what to expect when they come to your channel. YouTube has the way it works. When we are going to subscribe to the channel, we are going there for a particular reason, which if you come there and we see different things, we will all subscribe immediately because you're not giving us what we came there for. Even if you want to make all these channels, cooking, teaching, try, maybe you have different channels for those things. This one is for fashion, this one is for DIY, this one is for cooking channel, this one is for, just don't put everything in one channel. Please don't make that mistake. It will affect your channel both in the short run and in the long run. Okay, the third mistake you're making as a small YouTuber is to jump on every trend that comes out to your needs. Okay, even if you want to jump on trends, jump on trends that are relevant to your niche. Let's say you want to jump, maybe because you want to grow your subscriber fan or base. Make sure that you're jumping on a trend that has something to do with your niche. Let's assume you make videos cooking. Maybe you love to cook and your channel is a cooking channel, and there is this a trend that is coming out, maybe this fashion trend that you now can jump on the trend and post. What are you supposed to do now? Okay, now the good thing there that it might bring subscribers for you, most especially when it happens to be from shorts. By the time you go back to go and post that your long form content of cooking, nobody is there to watch the video because you already brought the wrong audience, and you don't confuse people. So even if you want to jump on a particular challenge, jump on a challenge that has to do with cooking. Same way you cannot be teaching DIY and you're jumping on a cooking challenge. You can't be doing tech videos and you're jumping on a cooking challenge. It's affecting your channel because it will make the algorithm know who to push your video to. And even those that are already subscribed to your channel may not even, because that was what they came there for. They came for tech videos and you're going to show them cooking challenge. It's going to confuse people. The video might even go viral, you understand? And it will bring maybe people that love to cook to your channel and they'll subscribe. What happens when you now go back to your tech videos? Who will watch the video now? Is it those people that came to watch because you posted them a cooking challenge, or the former subscribers Don't be following all these big YouTubers that have already made their name on YouTube and you want to do everything they are doing. You're still growing, nobody knows you yet. Do not make mistakes that you will regret later. Make sure you're jumping on trends that are relevant to your niche. Now, the first mistake you're making as a growing YouTuber is you're doing sub for sub. Wait, before you come and say it gave you your subscriber. Sub for sub will only help you in the short run, but not in the long run. Do you understand? I'll tell you why. Now, you maybe you guys formed a community, a group of YouTubers, growing YouTubers that are also looking for subscribers, and all of you be dropping your channel link and they are subscribing. You subscribe to my own, subscribe to your own. You sub for me, I'll sub for you. You watch, I'll watch. Good. It will give you subscribers though. But then will it even give you views, or let's even say authentic viewers? Because now imagine when all of them are creators and all of them are busy posting videos. Who will watch whose video again? Because now imagine me now, I am a creator and you're coming to me for sub. I should subscribe to your channel and you subscribe to my own, you watch, I watch. I might subscribe to your channel and subscribe to my own, but hello, do you really think I'm going to sit and watch your video? Like, I am making videos. I make videos all the time. In fact, I will film the video. In fact, before I even film the video, I'll have to, write out the points and go through everything and come and sit down to come and start setting up everything. I'll come and start filming the content. And I'm done filming the content, I'll come and start editing. After editing, I'll go through it properly. I'll even design my thumbnail. And once I upload the video, I am back to creating the next video that I'll upload. And I'm even creating the next video. I'm checking my analytics to see how my video is going, the progress so far. Now, what makes you think that I'll have time to watch your video? Now, let's assume that we are 20 in number that subscribe to each other's channel, and all these 20 of us are posting videos every day. Or, like, am I going to sit and watch this person's video, watch this person's video, watch this person's video, watch? And am I actually going to be useful to my life like that? Like, how will I be watching videos every day? Will I have time to create my own content? I'm a creator for crying out loud. It's not going to work. The final thing, the fifth mistake that small YouTubers are making is sharing their link to their family and friends. I know you'd be like, my family, my friends, they should be the one. You better don't share your link. These people have already seen you too much. You make a video on YouTube, you copy your link and share it to your family and friends. Are you sure they want to watch your video? Do you think they want to watch your video? I mean, familiarity is already setting. So even if they let's go and watch, let's go and check. They'll just click in and watch for like 5-10 seconds and they'll click out. If they're like, they'll watch maybe for 30 seconds and they'll click out. They've watched your video, maybe you gave them link, they've clicked, but then how long did they stay to watch your video? And just know that the retention rate of your video affects the increment of your video views. They are going to notice that people are clicking in and clicking out after 10-20 seconds. It's to think that people don't like this your video. YouTube will not put your video further to promote because they feel like nobody's liking the content. But you might even have a nice content there, but because you're going to go and share it to family and friends that are not really interested in watching your video, it's not going to affect that particular video because they are clicking in and clicking out. Sometimes you even share to your family and friends and they'll not even click, not to talk of watching your video. Even if you want to share your video links, go and share it to a community that don't even know you. Post it there. Let it be on YouTube. YouTube will push you to the right audience, and if they like the video, they are going to click. If you see the title, they see the thumbnail, of course they want to click on watch your video. But in case where people are not even clicking on watching your video, then something is wrong somewhere. You want to check out this particular video on why you're not getting views on your video and do the right thing. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. See you guys when I see you. Bye.